Some of y'all might not like that, but that's who I am. It's what I do.
No, I can't stop yelling, because that's how I talk.
Anyways, I just got a, little decibel thing. Too loud. That's me. Anyways, what's cracking, y'all? Back with another banger. We are going to have a very productive day. Very high revenue type day. We want to make some money today, right? It's Friday, June 30th. All right. Currently 7-something in the morning. I'm going to go pick up a condenser. We're going to do a change out. I have a evap coil to replace, a service call, and a maintenance. So we'll bang it out, make this day, it's Friday, get it all done. Y'all already know. Typically, that's how it goes. So let's just hop into this video and see how much I actually, get done productively. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
All right, day was starting off so freaking heavy. We were crushing it, had a positive mind. Get to the supply house, picked up the condenser, did a warranty on the evap, and then got a call from the installers. I ordered a heat pump for a straight cool, and it's up on the roof through second story. So at some point in time, I'm gonna have to run out there and run a new wire. That's on me. Good going, Kraus. It's like a townhouse and the condenser's on the roof. It's weird, and I had to get a ladder, but it's the whole thing. So I'll have to run a wire down for that. Right now, we're just gonna jump out the O with the Y and all that good stuff, just so they have cooling. Anyways, let's go fulfill the rest of the day. So it's a zoning issue, so nothing crazy. It's working for him now. It's one of them HV322s. So we're just gonna get that ordered for him and fixed up. There it goes. Here it goes. Come on. It'll come. It'll clear. Beautiful day. Here's our monster we're doing. Found a leak in the evap in here. So we're going to replace the evaporator coil. Her husband actually put this system in, God rest his soul, before he passed away. He did it himself, but it's not under warranty. So for whatever reason, I thought just automatically Goodman carried that. So we're gonna go ahead and get her right. It was leaking, and let's get started. Let's check it out. Got everything ready. Get it all over there. Y'all probably love the commentary. I gotta let's make life easy. Got that blue on hat, y'all. All the way down. cut it back here. That way I have a little bit of extra, I can just push it in. So you can see all the oil right there where it popped. So, sir. That'd be her, Pop. Clean that up right there, cut that. See if this has. And it actually comes with the piston, so we're good. All right, got it all tied in. Set up in there. Get our wet rag in here. Seriously, Navac? That's what we're producing? Just bought this hose and it pops right off. Solid. Lights on. Micron gauge, single hose. Valve is closed. Open up the ballast. Make that thing do its thing. Open that up. Boom, boom. Let that start pumping down. We get, in the book it says 3,500 microns. Let's go. Right, nice and easy. Cool, cool. Steady dropping, boy. Alright, cleaned up 15 minutes. 364, it's been on since 12:51. After I'm done, all done, break the charge, get out of here. So, all right. That's done. Bang that in, say, about an hour 15. So now we're gonna go do this change out. Go do the condenser. Hopefully homeboy's over there and got that air handler wrapped up and done.
Nope.
So let's go tackle that. Another typical Friday. Let's get it. All right, 2 o'clock, 2:19 install time. Competition's over there. I'm sure they've been there all day. Let's show them how we get this shit done, baby. Too fast. All right. Got one of them new RUUD 14AZs. 2-stage. Get rid of this old guy. Compressor failed on it. So we go knock it out. Let's go. I'm gonna clean here, cut it here, same back here, cap it, and then our ports are gonna lay right here. All right, so we're gonna flush this now. Gonna flush it. I meant to flush it the other way, but I cut that. This valve was leaking, whatever it is, what it is. See? So I'm gonna flush it through there. Let me tighten that up. But we're gonna flush it through the liquid, out through the suction. Cap this while we're working. That way we ain't got no issues. This thing will be done in no time. Line is filled. Got a rag on there, just zip tied it. There we go. And we'll just flush that all the way through. Work its way through. Sweep all that up. Clean it up. Get this out the way. Set this new one in place. So cut it down low, in our ways. Smart man. Knock it out. About to have this condenser set. Also, customer knows the dryer vent needs to move. So I suggested just get an elbow, just track it down the wall. You can take it down and over that way. That's what a lot of people do, but it was probably what caused that to go. As you can see inside, that coil's kind of jammed up. So let's set it and forget it. All right, so on these new RUUDs, all compressors are 2 stages now, all the way up. I talked to Joe Shear the other day. He did make a point that is not a, come on, suction line dryer. That is actually a charge compensator. So you can kind of look that up. I'll put a link for a video for it. Like I said, just throw it up on a pad and get this thing brazed in real fast. Just man up.
Nope.
You can't do it. Probably bent the...
No, I hit the wheels on the hoo-ha.
Let's go.
Here we go. Do we need the UV light deal?
All right, phone died while I was doing everything. Copper, RUUD TECH. Got the thermostat wire ran up in there. Been on for about 15 minutes, down to that. This is something real stupid and new on the RUUD. So our second stage of cooling is a blue wire. Our reversing valve is a blue wire. Now it's a different shade of blue, but still blue. So that's how you have to do that to engage that. All right, there's our product. I wanted to try to keep this thing, even though I could have probably brought that a little bit closer. I wanted to keep it, probably come back. I'm gonna put a standoff on that. Getting a whole new whip, so that zip tie is just temporary. Getting a new whip down to 195. Ooh. But yeah, hurricane straps. So let's get it. All right, she fired up. Let's check our pressures. Nice. Again, gotta get that thing to move. But I think it was 88 in the house. So I'm gonna let this thing do its thing for a little bit. See what's up. All right, y'all, that's gonna conclude our day. It is now 6:30, so about, what, 2:30 we started, about 4 hours. There she is. Rolling, looking good. Need a return. Put a new whip on as well. But yeah, that's it. She's wrapped up. All right, y'all, wrap the day up. It's Friday. It's 6:42 on the way home. If y'all made it this far, I don't know how long the video is gonna be, but again, smash the like, you know. Well, don't double smash because then it'll take away the first one. But put something in the title like America 1776, baby. We a free motherfucking nation despite what they're trying to do to us. So, I appreciate all my subscribers. I hope y'all are gonna have a blessed weekend. Be safe out there. And I will catch y'all on another video later.